Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our students got placed, so she is going to share her experience.
Hi, my name is BHAGYASHREE. I have got placed. I joined at September 13 in PySpiders for the Python development course. All the trainers made me Python so easy, and Lakshmi sir taught me Python. He made Python so easy subject. I thought it little bit tricky for me to write programs, but sir made me so easy. Python is a so easy subject, and web technology taught by Darshan sir. He is so energetic sir. He made web technology as a easy subject, and Alexis sir taught me Django subject. He is such a friendly sir, but a little bit strict. And then aptitude, it's a main subject. He made so easy to solve all the problems, and overall journey of PySpider is excellent. It made too much helpful for me.
So which are all the activities helpful to crack interview?
Mock interviews, it made me confident to speak in English, and grooming sections, it made me helpful.
Congratulations.
Thank you.